I hope you are very well. In this video we are going to update the boost pirate. In this case my boost pirate is in version 3.6a. Okay, so be careful, because if you want to update your boost pirate you have to check the version. Boost pirate version 3 are very compatible with firmware version 6, not very well compatible with firmware version 7. So be careful, you have to update to firmware version 6.1, 6.2 or more, okay? And if your boost pirate is version 4, you have to update your firmware, your boost pirate to the firmware with the firmware version 7, okay? That is very well tested with version 7. Okay, so be careful, don't damage your boost pirate. And what I do that because I was working in a hardware hacking project that I have to use OpenOCD. So in this case, OpenOCD is not very well compatible with all versions of Boost Pirate. Okay, so I have to update to work with OpenOCD and also work with JTAG. Okay, so I recommend you, if you want to work with more protocols, with more tools, you have to update your firmware. In this case, I have never updated my firmware from I bought, so it's a good opportunity to update my firmware. So yeah, here we go. Go ahead. Yeah. Remove this one. Okay. Perfect. So let's go to continue with the connection between PGC and PGD. Okay. Here we go. This one here and this one here. Yep. And the next step is just run the command with the firmware, with the compatible firmware. Perfect. So yeah, here we go. First of all, we have to clone this repository from the dangerous prototypes. Remember, you have to see that here is dangerous prototypes, okay? Because there are another repositories very similar. Git clone dangerous prototype. Perfect. Very easy. And the next step is to go to the, in this case, my boost pirate is version 3b, okay? So I have to go to this folder, version 3 bootloader. Perfect. And pirate loader. Cool. So in this case, I am in a Linux machine, so I have to put permissions to this loader. Yeah, here we have execution permissions from my user. Okay, so what is the command? The command is this one. Period load. You specify the TT USB. Okay, in this case it's USB 0. And finally the firmware. So let's go to see what are the available firmwares that we have here. Okay. Yeah, so these are all available firmwares. So remember, if you have a Boost Pirate version 4, you have to use one of these one. In my case, I have Boost Pirate version 3, so I can use this that I selected. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to update. Let me see. This one node, this one no, this one node. Version 3.6.3. 6.3. No. 6.5. First, I am going to try with this. Okay. Okay, because first, if I in my Boost Pirate work with this version, I don't have to update to another last version. Because maybe the second option is this one. Okay, so remember, Boost Pirate version 3 are compatible with version 6 and 7, but not all Boost Pirates are tested very well. So you can damage your Boost Pirate. So I recommend to upgrade a version that work for you and that not be the last version. Okay, in this case I'm going to choose this one. Perfect. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put here. Yep. Let's go again. Triple loader, pirate loader, and sudo pirate loader x. Yeah. Here we have the command. So right now we are in the pirate folder. So if I would like to back, I have to our pirate package. Remember, here I am is in Boost Pirate. Package. Okay. So I have to come back 1 and 2. Okay. 1, 2, and yeah. 1, 2 package. 1, 2 package. So yeah, let's go to start. If all is okay, let's go to check. Yeah, I guess that all is working perfect. Come on, come on. Firmware already successfully. USB screen. Use the screen to verify. Perfect. I'm going to use this to connect with this baud rate and BL4. Sorry, I have to disconnect this. Okay. At the end, you have to disconnect this wire. Yeah, you are in this version. So yeah, what is my version? My version right now is firmware version 6.1. Jeez. Okay, perfect. I guess that it is enough for me. Yeah. So so we successfully update my Boost Pirate. Let's go to check the previous version. The previous version of my Boost Pirate was firmware version 5.10. Okay, and right now I have the firmware version 6.1. Perfect. So, what is the reason that you have to update your Boost Pirate? Because in the last versions you have more capabilities and compatibilities with, for example, work with JTAG, connection with OpenOCD, and more. So I recommend you to update your firmware. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching Reverse Everything. Have a nice day. Remember, happy hacking and reverse everything. Thank you so much.